Hello from the counseling office. This is Miss Liz. I'm here to talk to you about your graduation requirement credit check. Today you'll be going through tracking your own credits. This is super important because, as you know, these impact your future. Credits count towards graduation, and they are something that are printed on a transcript, which is a legal document. So for today, I'm going to ask you to open the document that I emailed you, and you're going to click on the document and open it. Then you're going to click on File and make a copy. We're going to hit OK. What I want you to do with that copy is I want you to rename it and name it with your first and last name. So let's pretend this is Bob the iguana. And then the year you're going to graduate. So if you're in class of 2021 or 2022, you put that up there. Then you also put your name in the student name bar. And then your year of graduation. Also, just so you know that this is a tracker for you. I keep track of your credits on my own through a different spreadsheet. So if you ever want to check and compare that you have your tracker right, come see me. I do need you to go ahead and save, and you'll save this document and move it to the folder that you use for your Wacky Wednesday portfolios. So make sure that that copy of yours is saved in your Wacky Wednesday portfolio. And then I want to show you some things. In grade 9 here, you have semester 1 and semester 2, and in grade 10, you have semester 1 and semester 2. Same for grade 11 and grade 12. When you look at this column right here, it lists off the required credits that you need to take. It also lists off the content area, like English, math, science, social studies, world language, fine arts, PE, health, technology, and community service. Over here, it talks about the total credits earned in blue, and the credits you still need to earn are in red. If you think about how we talked about credits earlier, think about how semester 1 math credit is worth 0.5 credit, or the whole year is worth 1 credit. So I'm going to plug in 0.5 for my math class because I passed that. And then, oh, that was English. Same for English. I passed English. A year-long class at CIS is worth 1 full credit if you go to it 4 days a week. A year-long class that you go to 2 days a week is worth a half a credit. And a semester-long class that you only go to twice a day or 2 times a week is worth 0.25 credit. And so you're going to go through your classes, and as long as you've passed everything, your core classes will get 0.5 credit per semester. If you haven't passed something, like you failed a class, then you really need to be coming to talk to me about that so we can make it up and make sure that you're on track to graduate. Now in the fine arts, PE, tech classes, all of those classes for you are going to be worth 0.25 credit unless it's a year-long class like band or choir. And then that year-long class that meets 2 days a week is 0.5. So in my fine arts category, I am in choir and I took drama, so that was last semester. 0.25 for drama, and then I did 0.5 for the whole year of choir. I'm okay with you putting that in as a combination of 0.5 and 0.25 in these columns, as long as we know that at the end of the school year you took a year-long class and a semester-long class in fine arts. Then most of you have taken or are taking health, so that's worth 0.5 credits because that class meets for 1 semester, 4 days a week. Some of you have taken a tech class, and some of you have taken PE. So as you can see over here in this column on the left, right, it will show you what credits you've completed and then what credits you still need to complete, and it'll add them up for you. If you are doing this correctly, at the bottom, you should have 3.5 credits per semester. So if you're missing that 0.25, it shows you, oh, okay, I'm missing one of the classes I took. And for some of you, it's important to open your portal to remember all those facts. If you still can't do the math on this and are confused, come see me. I'd be happy to work with you and make sure that this is correct for you. But if you look over here, you can see at the end of freshman year, I did 7 credits and I still have 17 to go in order to graduate. So keeping track of your credits is super important through this document. I will be in Mr. John's room today. If you have any questions, please feel free to stop by during CIS time and I will help you in Mr. John's room. Thanks.